Hi, kids! Today we're going to draw the letter B and something that starts with B. Can you guess? Yes, it's a ball! Step 1. Draw the capital letter B. First, let's draw a big capital letter B. Draw one long straight line going down. Now draw two big curves on the right side, one at the top and one at the bottom. Step 2. Now let's draw a ball next to the letter B. Start with a big circle. Let's add some curved lines inside to make it look like a real ball. Time to color! I'm coloring the letter B brown. Green in ball. Use bright colors for the ball. Red, yellow, green, or your favorite team colors. You can also draw a bear bicycle, book, bed, bathtub, basket. Don't forget to like and subscribe.